Welcome back. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6. Today we are going to solve exercise number 6.1. In the previous class I have told you how we will solve or how we will simplify the numerical expression. We have solved 2 or 3 examples also. Today we will start our exercise number 6.1. Question number 1 is MCQ. Choose the correct option. Okay. Number 1 is while simplifying the expression 2.5 divided with 0.5 into 15 minus bracket 3.2 minus 1.2 plus 3 of 2. The operation first done is, what operation we will do first? You all remember I have told you the BODMAS rule. What operation will we do first? First we will open the bracket. Okay, so in first question, option number C we will do first. 3.2 minus 1.2 within the bracket. This we will open. This is given in option number C. So you all will take option number C. Okay, now next is the value of. You have to find the value. Second is the value of 25 minus 8 of 0.2 divided with 0.8 into 5 is, this value you have to find it out. Children, this bracket is known as small bracket. Okay. This bracket is known as small bracket and this bracket is known as, first I will tell you about the brackets. Okay, this is the small bracket, this is curly bracket and this is the big bracket. Okay, so first we will solve the small bracket, okay, inside it. Then we will solve the curly and then after that the big bracket. Okay, 25 minus, write as it is. In the place of you will put multiply sign. Okay, after bracket opening we have to do the operation. O means multiply sign. You will put here multiply sign. Okay, divided with 0.8 into 5, bracket close. 25 minus, just multiply this and we will open this bracket. Okay, 0.2 into 8. 8 2s are 66, carry 1, 8 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1 and decimal after one number, here also one number. So what is the answer? Answer is 1.6 divided with 0.8 into 5. So what we will do after of is division. So we will divide this first. Okay, 16, here 8. You can divide like this also. 1.6 divided with 0.8. 16 by 10 divided with 8 by 10. 16 by 10 into 10 by 8. This cancel, 8 ones are 8 twos are. So what is left out? 2. So when you will divide this, what answer you get? 2 into 5. Okay, now 2 5s are 10. We will solve this and we will open the bracket. So what is our answer? Our answer is 25 minus 10, that is 15, which is given in option number D. So in this way you will solve, simplify this. Okay, first you will open the small bracket. Okay, then you will do the operations. Okay, division, then multiplication. If addition is there, then addition you will do. If subtraction is there, then you will do the subtraction part. Okay, first just you remember, we will open the small bracket, then we will do the operation and we will open the curly bracket. If big bracket is there, then we will open this bracket. Okay, now next is question number 2. Question number 2. first part. This is simplify the following numerical expression. You have to simplify the expression. Okay. First one is 16 divided with 2 into 7 plus 3 minus 9. Here no brackets are given. We have learned the BODMAS rule. I will write here, okay, so that you will remember. BODMAS. Okay. First, what we will do? First bracket, no bracket is there, so we will leave that. Off, no off is written, so we will leave that. Divide. We will divide first, okay. 16 divided with 2. What we will get? 8 into 7 plus 3 minus 9. First we have done the division part, then after division, multiplication. You will multiply this. 8 sevens are 56 plus 3 minus 9. Then addition. Then you will add this. 56 plus 3 is 59 minus 9. Then you will subtract. 59 minus 9 is 50. Okay. Now number 2 is 72 divided with 3 of 2 plus 8 minus 3. So first we will do this and then we will solve the following. Okay, 72 divided with 3. 72. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. So what we will get here? 24 of 2 plus 8 minus 3 is equals to 24 into 2 plus 8 minus 3. After division, multiplication is there. So 24 into 2 will be 48 plus 8 minus 3. 48 plus 8 is 56 minus 3. So what you will get? 53. Okay. Like this you will try to solve the questions. Question number 3 is easy. You can solve. Question number 3. Number 3 is 8 into 9 divided with 9 plus 10 divided with 5 minus 3. As you can see here, in this question 2 divisions are given. So you will solve the division part first. Okay. 8 into 9 divided by 9 we will get 1. Plus 10 divided with 5 we will get 2 minus 3. Then multiply. 8 ones are 8 plus 2 minus 3. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. Okay. Now number 4th is decimal one that I will solve here. Okay. Number 4th is decimal part. Number 4th is 18.4 minus 5.08 plus 6.18 divided with 2.06. Okay. So here plus and minus and division sign is given. So first we will divide. Rest of all we will note down as it is. 18.4 minus 5.08 plus. We will divide in rough here. Okay. 6.618 upon 100 divided with 206 upon 100. 618 upon 100 into 100 upon 206. This cancel out. 206 into 3. 3 6 are 88. 1 3 2s are 6. So 206 here will come 3. Okay, you will divide with directly. So what you will get here? 3. Now next what we will do? We will add. Okay. 18.4 minus here 5.08 plus 3. No decimal is given, so we will add before the decimal. 0.088 minus 8.08. So you will subtract here. 18.4 minus 8.08. 40 here. 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3.8 minus 8. here you will add. When you will divide, you will get 3. Okay, so 18 minus 8 is 0, 1. So what you will get, 18.4 minus 5.08 plus, when you will divide, you will get 3, 6, 18, 8, 1, 3, 2, 6. Yes, you will get 3. So no decimal point will be there because decimal we have removed. If we will add here 0, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 1 and here 5. Then we will minus here 5, 1, 1, 2 minus 1. So, okay. So what is your answer? Your answer is 10.32. Okay. Now next question is in the fraction form, mixed fraction form. So how you will solve this? Next question is fraction form. Okay. So first you will convert this fraction into normal fraction. 8 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2 divided with 1 1 by 4 into 1 3 by 4. Okay, first you will change this. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35 by 4 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 divided with 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 into 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. Okay, first what you will do? First we will divide this. First comes division. 35 by 4 minus here 5 by 2 into 4 by 5. 5 5 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what we will get? 2. 2 by 1 into 7 by 4. After division what we will do? We will multiply. 35 by 4 minus 2 7s are 14 by 4. Okay, so you will, both the denominators are same. So we will write 4 here. 35 minus 14. So what you will get? 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. 21 by 4. So you will simplify further. You will divide this and write 4 21. 4 5s are 20. How we are going to write? Quotient remainder upon denominator. So what is our answer? 5 1 by 4. Like this you will solve the mixed fraction quotients. Okay, what we have done first we have changed the mixed fraction into normal fraction. Then we have followed the BODMAS rule. First we will divide, then we will multiply, then we will add if addition is there. If no addition is there, then we will subtract and solve. Okay, so like this way you will try to solve all the questions. Okay, I am solving this bracket question which is given in question number 13 and 14. I am solving. Rest of all you will try to solve by your own. Okay, question number 13 and 14 I am solving here. Rest of all you will try to solve by your own. Here 13. 13 is what? Big bracket, curly bracket, sorry, 11 plus 2 into 5, then bracket closed, minus 5 plus 2 of 5. Okay, first we will write here. Which bracket first we will open? First we will open the small bracket. Okay, what operation is given here? Multiplied. So 2 5s are 10. Bracket close, minus 5 plus 2. In place of what you will write? Multiply sign. Here addition, subtraction, what we will do first? Multiply. 11 plus 10 minus 5 plus 5 2s are 2 5s are 10. Okay, now we will open this bracket. 11 plus 10 is 21 minus 5 plus 10. So first we will add 21 and 10 is the addition part. 21 plus 10 minus 5. 21 plus 10 is 31 31 minus 5 is 26. So like this you will solve. Okay, now next is question number 14. 14 is curly bracket 26 plus 6 minus 18 divided with 3 plus 5 of 3 bracket close minus 36. So let's see here what we will do first. First we will solve the small bracket. Okay. First we will solve the operation inside the small bracket. First is division. So you will divide 18 with 3. What you will get? 3 6 are 18. So you will get here 6. Okay. Then plus 5, or in place of you will put the sign and 3 and then bracket close and then 36. First we will solve a small bracket, then we will open the curly bracket and then we will solve. Okay. 26 plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Small bracket opened, plus 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Bracket closed, minus 36. So 26 plus 0 is 26. 26 plus 15. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carry, 2 3 4. 41. Bracket opened, minus 36. So 41 minus 36, what we will get? Minus here 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 5. So what is our answer? Our answer is 5. Okay. So like this you will open the bracket question, you will solve the bracket questions, and rest of the question please try to solve by your own. I have solved 5, 6, 7 questions. Only which question left? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. That you will try to solve by your own. So I hope you all understand how to solve the numerical expression, how we have to simplify. We have to just follow the rule, BODMAS rule. We have to just follow. Okay. If there is brackets, I have told you about the 3 brackets. First you will open the bracket, then you will solve the following. Okay. So this is all for today. With this we have completed our chapter number 6, and your midterm portion is lesson number 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5 is decimal, 6 is this simplification of numerical expression, these two completed. 7th is rounding of number, that is also a small chapter, and 8th is average. Okay. So these 4 chapters are coming in your midterm portion. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.